Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This video is just a short announcement for the upcoming workshop. There will be a workshop at the end of April from 27 to 30 April, 4 days, and it will be from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT. So each day we will have 3 hours, 4 days, so a total of 12 contacts hours. We will have 4 examples and each example will be covered in 1 day. The examples, as you can see in the slide here. So for the first day, we will do the simulation of automotive crash box. For the second day or the second session, we will do the impact on ceramics plate. It will be a 2D simulation. And for the third day, we will have high velocity impact on a woven fabric target. We will do a meso model and compare it to a macro model. We will see the advantages, disadvantages of each method. And lastly, for the fourth day, it will be a heavy example. It will be the combined fragment impact and blast loading on an armor. So that's all that's all what will be covered in the workshop. The link for registration will be given below. Yeah, that's all, and hope to see you all there.